How to make money with OfferUp. Looking for a simple way to make extra cash using just your phone? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make money with OfferUp, even if you're starting with nothing. First, download the app and set up a clean, trustworthy profile. Use a real photo and write a short bio. This builds credibility and helps you sell faster. Next, start by selling items you already have at home. Look for things in good condition like electronics, furniture, clothes, or tools. Take clear photos in good lighting and write honest, detailed descriptions. Price your items slightly higher than what you're willing to accept so you have room to negotiate. Once you've made a few sales, it's time to scale. Start sourcing items for free or cheap. Check local, free listings, garage sales, and clearance sections. You can flip these items for profit by cleaning them up and relisting them at a higher price. Another strategy is retail arbitrage. Buy discounted items from stores and resell them on OfferUp for a profit. Focus on popular brands or everyday items people search for. Always respond quickly to messages, be polite, and meet in safe public locations. The faster and more professional you are, the more deals you'll close. If you stay consistent, you can turn OfferUp into a solid side hustle, or even a full-time income. Start small, learn what sells, and keep reinvesting your profits. That's it. Now go make your first sale.